to this week's vlog. So right now I'm just now getting home from work and running some errands. I basically am struggling, y'all, to figure out what I'm gonna wear this weekend because I do have some plans for my birthday. So me and outfit planning do not go together, honey, because I really will overthink it till it's just like too much, you know. I've been shopping a lot. Like, I have stuff to wear, so why do I feel like I have to get new stuff just for my birthday? Like, this is toxic. Am I the only one? Please let me know in the comments if you guys do the same thing, okay? As y'all can see as well, I got my hair done for my birthday. I'm gonna try to put a video in and show you guys exactly what it looks like. But got my hair done yesterday. I had to run out to the store today after work to get some yarn for an order that I've got this week to pick up my herbs because I restocked. So if y'all need yoni steams, herbs have restocked. Shop at the link in the description. And then I also went to get some CBD for the weekend. I needed to re-up on that as well. And I think I stopped one more place. Oh, I stopped at the shoe store, but I didn't find anything. So I just wanted to check in, tell you guys welcome to this vlog. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll check back in soon. Y'all, when I tell you I just made it to the shoe store in the nick of time. I told y'all yesterday that I had got some shoes from DSW, but when I was thinking about like my outfits and stuff, I realized that I didn't want them. I didn't want those particular shoes for the outfits that I'm wearing for my birthday, right? So I just got off work and I came back up here because I knew I had to exchange. Today's Friday, by the way, so weekend festivities start tomorrow. But I just wanted to come on here and show y'all and tell y'all that I made it in the nick of time. I got off work at 4:30 and I got to DSW at 4:55, and they closed at 5, honey, because of COVID. So let me show y'all what I made it to. I made it to these babies just in the nick of time. Are they not beautiful? Steve Madden, like, get into it. So just know y'all will see me in these on the gram. So yeah. So now it's back to getting my outfits together. I'm going home to work on editing a video for a gig that I have, to take a bath and relax, have some CBD and some wine. I do have to work tomorrow from 8 to 12, but regardless, it's my birthday weekend. Countdown is on. I wanted to come on and show y'all my shoes. I can't wait to see how I put them together. Hey y'all. Thank you. Welcome back to the vlog, you guys. Get into the skin, honey. I just got a facial for my birthday. I feel amazing, y'all. Like, that was the best thing I could have ever done for my skin. Christy was who did my facial at Inna Rose, and she was amazing. I highly recommend. I've never gotten a facial, but that was just the best experience. I got a little massage. It was so relaxing. Like, my skin feels incredible. So I just wanted to come and share that. Today's my birthday and I am enjoying my day so far. So I got the microdermabrasion, so my face is kind of like red a little bit in some areas. I had a breakout here, so that's gonna go down, but other than that, it was amazing, and I'm just excited to continue my day. I've been having a pretty chill and relaxing day, so I'm about to go home now. Well, actually, I think I'm gonna get something to eat. Me and Marissa are going out to eat this evening. Look at my hair doing whatever it wants to do. We're going out to eat this evening for my birthday, and that's pretty much it. I get to open some gifts, chill, and then this weekend we're celebrating some more. So I just wanted to come on and say hey to you guys. Tell me why I go to try to order, you know, curbside, which is the best invention ever, with Panera. And the app is like, not available. I'm like, what? So I drive up here. I'm like, okay, I'll just place my order in person. Tell me why they're closed, y'all. They are closed. But what am I supposed to do? This is like my birthday meal of the day, in the middle of the day. What? Okay, so update. Obviously, the universe doesn't want me to eat healthy on my birthday because Subway is closed too. It's 2:30. Their new hours are from 9 to 2:30. How is Subway only open from 9 to 2:30? Help me understand. I know it's a pandemic and nobody wants to work, but y'all, like, at this point, I'm just gonna go to McDonald's because obviously I'm not meant to eat healthy right now, today. And here's my fiance calling me. Hey guys, so welcome back to the vlog. It is Wednesday, November 3rd, and oh my gosh, shit all over my shirt. But I just came on here to say hey, check in. I had an amazing birthday. Like, I couldn't ask for a better day. I went and had my facial, which I showed y'all the footage, or I will show y'all if I haven't showed you already. That was great. Then I went out to dinner with Marissa and so that was fun. We took some pictures at the mall. Like, we really have got to get a tripod, y'all, because the way we struggle trying to take pictures of ourselves, like, and it's like every time we like look good, we dress up, we all dapper, we never get pictures. So something's got to change. and we are going out of town on Friday. So I'm also excited about that. But yeah, like I said, I just wanted to check in. I have a few errands or like little chores to do. You know, since I've been not working from home, it's just been like an adjustment, almost like a struggle to just keep up the house because I'm not here all day. So I didn't realize like how quickly the dishes pile up when you're not home, how quickly the laundry piles up when you're not home to do it. Like, I just miss working from home. And so I really have been just talking to God about it this week. I have been writing in my journal, like while at work, even just in constant communication about what is next for me. And I'm just grateful, honestly, that I've had the opportunity to work from home and see how beneficial it is for me and my mental health and what I'm trying to do in my life right now. And I really, my main goal is to help other people. And that's at the end of the day, like what I want to do. And so if I can, wrestle my own doubts, which I listened to a podcast sermon by Sarah Jakes Roberts where she talks about wrestling doubt. And if I can do that for myself and, just really remember what God has promised me, I feel like that I can really walk in my purpose by showing others that it's possible to, release doubt and just open your life to the fullness that the universe and God have in store for us, And that's really, at the end of the day, like I said, my main goal, that makes my heart happy when I can help other people to just see the fullness of life, and also just embrace life's journeys. And then, of course, be able to give my own family that freedom, whether that's like my parents, my extended family, and eventually my own kids. So I really am realizing how much, that's going to take. And just to have the faith that I need to make things happen and the courage to really make my dreams a reality, with God by my side. So that's where I am today. That's on my mind. I wanted to share that with y'all. And I hope somebody can relate. Do it, sis. Just do it. Just stop holding back and just do what you know that you can do. Even if that means sacrificing, it might mean sacrificing time or money right now, but eventually all of that will pay off.
Keep me in the cloud, light it up, high up. Keep me in the cloud, light it up, high up. Keep me in the cloud, light it up, high up. Keep me in the cloud, light it up, high up. Keep me in the cloud.
Okay, so I wanted to do a little unboxing for you guys. Don't mind me and on my blankets right now, okay? It's cold in the house. So I got this for my birthday. Even though my birthday was 2 days ago, I'm still celebrating, so I was okay if it came late because I ordered it maybe about a week ago. These are some press-on nails that I ordered off of Etsy. So I had seen other like press-ons, like for instance, Chill House. Packaging is so cute. But I was like, you know what? Let me just find something that I like. I feel like it's my vibe and go with that. So I ordered these. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Ordered these press-ons from Etsy. It even came with a little application kit. Super cute. It's got like a filing board in there, some glue. I'll show you guys some more once I open it up. But I'm so excited to see how they look. They're gel, so it's like the detail is so cute. It looks like, I basically went to the nail salon, and the nail salon will be in my house. So I'm excited to use them. And I can't wait to show you guys how they turn out on my nails. Okay, y'all, so another little mini unboxing here. I got some soap from my cousin, her shop. This is natural soap, and this one has chamomile. It is the Majestic Crown and Armor Herbal Cleansing Bar. So I got one before, and it was, I can't remember what the scent was, but y'all know I love natural products. So definitely go shop with her. Here is her website. She's got an Instagram as well. And I highly recommend the products. They smell great and they leave my skin feeling good. I've used her hair oil. I've used the soap, and I'm gonna get some shea butter here soon. And like I said, everything is vegan and 100% natural. So definitely check it out.